Have you ever experienced a sense of fatigue or exhaustion without understanding the cause? Your body possesses an unseen energy field that's essential for overall health. This energy field interacts with your emotions and surroundings on a daily basis. Negative energy in your environment can significantly affect your well-being. Stress, toxic relationships, and polluted spaces can weaken this vital field. When your energy field is compromised, you're more vulnerable to illness. So, what steps can you take to safeguard this energy field? First, practice mindfulness to remain present and aware. Meditation serves as a remarkable tool to eliminate negative energy. Additionally, fill your life with positive influences and uplifting people. Organizing your space can enhance the energy flow as well. Finally, consider using natural crystals, like clear quartz, to amplify your energy. Now let's consider a common scenario. Imagine entering a room saturated with negativity. You may instantly feel drained, anxious, or even unwell. Conversely, stepping into a space filled with love can reinvigorate you. This illustrates the profound impact energy has on our health. In conclusion, your energy field is crucial for your overall health. Protecting it can greatly enhance your mood and immune system. Continue practicing mindfulness, embrace positivity, and keep your space clear. Feeling good starts with nurturing your energy. Are you ready to nourish your energy field? Subscribe now for more tips about energy health. Have you ever walked into a crowded space filled with tension, feeling a wave of fatigue wash over you? This experience highlights how sensitive we are to our environments. The effects of energy might not always be visible, but they can be deeply felt. If you find yourself in such a space, pause and take a few deep breaths to center yourself. By doing this, you're not just surviving, you're actively protecting your energy field from negativity and stress. Be mindful that every choice you make regarding your surroundings influences your feelings and interactions. Observe the colors around you. Vibrant tones can lift your spirits, whereas dull hues may weigh you down. Reflect on how your home's decor affects your mood. Bright, lively colors can be energizing, while dark, cluttered areas may feel heavy. A simple change, like introducing cheerful plants or artwork, can create remarkable transformations. You might also light a candle infused with essential oils, wrapping your space in soothing aromas that reset your energy. Intentional adjustments to your environment promote a nurturing space that revitalizes your energy field, bestowing clarity and vibrancy. As you craft a sanctuary for your energy, remember to incorporate moments of gratitude. Daily reflections on what you appreciate can ground you in positivity, improving your mood and countering stress. Surround yourself with symbols of joy, such as photos or reminders of happy times, to reinforce that positive energy. As this practice becomes a part of your routine, your resilience against negativity strengthens, allowing your energy field to flourish. By nurturing your energy field, you welcome balance and harmony into your life. Embrace a journey of self-discovery through mindful practices. Remember, your well-being is rooted in the energy you cultivate. Stay aware, stay positive, and allow your energy to thrive. Thank you for joining this exploration. Continue prioritizing your energy health. During your journey, visualize creating a peaceful nook in your home. It could be a cozy chair beside a window, surrounded by plants and soft pillows. This sanctuary becomes a refuge where you can unwind and reconnect. Taking time to sit quietly allows you to absorb your surroundings, nurturing your energy field's vibrancy. As you shut your eyes, take deep breaths, imagining roots extending from your fingers into the earth, grounding you in peace. Start by draping a soft blanket over your lap, creating warmth and comfort. As you settle in, consider enjoying a refreshing herbal tea, enveloped in its soothing aroma. With each sip, feel your worries vanish, replaced by tranquility and balance flowing throughout your body. This ritual connects you to your energy field, emphasizing the importance of nurturing your space. You might place a small journal next to you, inviting moments of reflection and expression. Writing down your thoughts can be cathartic, allowing positive energy to emerge. Acknowledging your feelings, both highs and lows, brings clarity, helping you transform your energy. Feel the shift as you write. This release lightens your heart and paves the way for healing. You actively cultivate a thriving energy field where positivity thrives. In this refuge, allow the chaos of the outside world to fade away, replaced by your serene retreat. Remember, this nurturing space is more than just a location. It symbolizes your commitment to well-being. From your cozy alcove, envision integrating rituals that elevate your energy even further. Soft, soothing music may play, each note washing over you like a gentle wave, inviting relaxation and clarity. You could also explore guided meditations, leading you inward to illuminate your mind and spirit. Within this sacred space, every element resonates with purpose, enhancing your energy field and connecting you to your essence. As you emerge from these self-care moments, carry this renewed energy with you, allowing it to radiate into your daily life. Each positive thought and act of kindness sends ripples of vibrant energy into the world, uplifting both yourself and those you encounter. Your nurtured energy becomes a powerful influence, shaping your perspective and environment. As you commit to this transformative journey, don't forget to extend these practices beyond your personal space. Think about the relationships you build. Each one contributes to the energy you share. Identify those who uplift your spirit and inspire you to grow. Surround yourself with individuals reflecting love, positivity, and support, creating a strong energy exchange. Conversely, consider setting healthy boundaries with those who drain your energy or contribute negativity to your life. This mindful effort will protect your well-being and fortify your energy field. Engage in activities that foster connection, such as group meditations, yoga classes, or workshops focused on growth. By connecting with a supportive community, you reinforce the uplifting energy flowing among members, enhancing your collective vibrance. Each connection expands your energy field, fostering a sense of belonging. Investing time and intention in these relationships will strengthen your energy, creating a ripple effect of positivity in every interaction. Imagine stepping into this lively community surrounded by laughter, encouragement, and shared stories. Every engagement weaves into the fabric of your energy field, uplifting your spirit and resilience. As you interact with like-minded individuals, you elevate your energy and contribute to the upliftment of others. This shared positivity becomes a powerful force, promoting joy and well-being for all involved. In challenging times, this supportive network stands strong, reminding you that you are not alone in your quest for energy health. Together, you cultivate a sanctuary of strength, love, and growth. As your commitment to energy health deepens, recognize the significance of nature's power. Visualize time spent outdoors, with sunlight warming your skin and fresh air refreshing your lungs. Nature, with its calming energy, recharges your energy field, providing healing and renewal. Engage your senses as you feel the grass beneath your feet and listen to leaves whispering in the breeze. Each moment in this natural refuge nourishes your spirit, promoting balance and harmony in your life.